I know that the latest thing with affiliate marketers are being taught is all about organic marketing, and I get it. It works and it's cost effective. So what if there was a ninja variation of organic marketing that could take your message to more people with less time required by you? Yeah, I thought you might be interested in that. So this is my 12 Steps to Success online series, and in this training I'm giving you the 10th of the 12 steps and the second step of the build phase. The 10th step is called one-to-many, and it's how you can take your organic marketing from one-to-one to one-to-many with the continued benefit of being at no cost. Hey, Andrew Woodward here, and on this channel we focus on the best online marketing strategies that grow your wealth, build a long-term business and allow you to work from anywhere using nothing more than your laptop and a Wi-Fi connection. Now, if you've missed any of the previous steps, make sure you go back and watch them. I've left a link up there for you, and make sure you subscribe and click the little bell to get notified when I release a new video, including the next videos in the 12-step process. In this video, I'm going to share the 10th step of my 12 steps to online success, the second of the build phase, which is where you're working to really ramp up your business to achieve the 5-figure months you have others talking about in your social feeds. So the 10th step to online success is one-to-many. Now, I know that you are seeing and hearing from the gurus that there are great benefits in getting into conversations with your audience, and that using organic methods that don't cost you a cent are the way to go to build your business. And let's be honest, who doesn't like no cost, right? But one of the problems you'll quickly learn with this strategy is that it takes a lot of your time. Being in Messenger for hours a day wasn't what you signed up for, right? And finding the right people to engage with isn't easy either, right? So you spend hours a day having conversations, searching for the people who really want to hear what you have to say. Now, there's no doubt that you can find them, and when you do, it's really worthwhile. But what if there was a better way? Well, the better way is one-to-many. So what does one-to-many mean? Well, simply it's where you have the people you want to talk with come to you, and then you have the conversations with them in a single platform. The way I do this is using the Facebook group. By engaging with people and producing content that draws people to my Facebook group, I know that the people that come to the group are already interested in what I'm talking about. They have effectively already put their hand up. By using my Facebook group, I can then engage with my audience in a more intimate environment and with more targeted content. With people engaging in the group content, you can then more readily determine what they need, what they want, and how you can serve them. This is how to get your message from one-on-one to one-to-many, faster and more effectively. Sounds good, right? Well, every time you put content out on your profile or your blog or YouTube or wherever you're putting out content, you invite people to join your Facebook group. And the ones who are really interested in what you have to offer them will show up in your group. And once in your group, you can engage in conversations with them, build up trust, get to know them, and over time, sell them what they need to grow their business and obviously yours. Okay, I hope today's video was helpful for you and showed you how to get your message from one-on-one to one-to-many for faster and more effective results. So you don't have to spend hours and hours every day in Messenger searching for the handful of people who might be interested in what you have to offer. One-to-many is more effective and more scalable, which is how you're going to get to 5-figure months faster and more sustainably. Now, if you're looking to get started in affiliate marketing and you want some personal support to get set up for success, to nail the 12 steps and be on your way to the online income that you want, then join my Inner Circle program where you can get one-on-one support over 6 weeks, a whole bunch of resources and tools that are proven to work, and be earning an online income within 30 days. Click the link in the description to schedule a free call with me, and we can work on a plan to get you moving toward your goals quickly and effectively. So thanks for watching today's training. Don't forget to schedule a time with me, click the link in the description and let's chat. And to continue to get these free training videos, make sure you click on the subscribe button and that little bell to get notified when a new training is released. It's the simplest way to ensure that you don't miss any of the good stuff and you get access to everything that I'm doing or using to grow my business so you can grow yours. And do me a favour, click the like button and leave me a comment below to let me know what you thought of this training. I'll read all the comments and I'll reply to everyone. And don't forget, to get access to the free affiliate marketing training that I recommend, click the links in the description and let's get you building your business from today. And if you want to get on a discovery call with me, you can click the link in the description to book a time in my calendar and we can get started building your business from today.